I encountered a brown-headed gull with a fishing net entangled in its mouth, a heartbreaking yet powerful reminder of human impact on wildlife.
വരയുടെ നൂല് അതിൻ്റെ വായിക്കകത്ത് നിറച്ചു.
The bird's
പയ്യെ
distress
ഇരുന്ന്
and
കുലുങ്ങി.
struggle were painful to witness, highlighting the devastating consequences of plastic pollution and discarded fishing gear in marine environments. I'm sharing this footage to raise awareness about the dangers of careless waste disposal and its impact on marine life. Every piece of plastic left behind can become a trap, causing immense suffering to innocent creatures. It's a call to action for responsible waste management and greater efforts to protect our oceans and wildlife. Responsible waste disposal is the only key to protect marine life from such preventable harm. In a tragic turn, crows chase the weakened gull away, adding to its suffering.